Throw salt at your broom and you will be surprised what happens. Today I will share with you a rare trick that few people know and that will leave you with your mouth open. When you find out, you will be running to do it today. After using the brush for a long time, you will begin to notice how the plastic fringes begin to open and come off. As a result, the brush will look very bad and will no longer sweep as well as at the beginning when you bought it. But do not worry, since with this trick your brush will look like new and using only some ingredients that you surely already have at home. Here I have 2 brushes that I have used during the same time. And as you can see, this brush looks more deteriorated than this one. I have preserved them to show you this trick and that you can take care of your brush and make it last for much longer. The first thing we are going to need is a bucket or bucket of water. Fill a pot with water and take it to the stove until it is hot. Once heated, fill the bucket with water. The hotter it is, the better it will serve. Then we take a good amount of white vinegar and put it inside. The ideal amount would be a cup for every 2 liters of water. And now we will use the star ingredient, which is salt, and we add a good amount. More or less with half a cup of salt will be enough. Then we put the brush inside and shake it a little. In addition to keeping the brush for longer, this trick will also help to clean it. As you move it, you will notice how the dirt will peel off little by little. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Felipe Villanueva from Mexico. At this point, we let it rest for about 30 minutes, although I recommend leaving it overnight. Once the time passes, we take it out and put it to dry. It is important that you know that this trick works much better when we start doing it before the brush starts to deteriorate. And you should do it at least once every 2 weeks. The salt has a hardening effect on the brush, which will make it last longer. And all this without damaging the freckles. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase so I will take care of my brush. That way I will know that you stayed until the end.
Amen.